Assalamualaikum friends, here is all-in-one CDR file template. These are for Corel Draw in 14.5 GB, but don't worry, I will compress it in 4 parts so you can download easily. Okay, and these are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now for lifetime all password in this app, and iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Here is my Facebook page, follow this, and last is join my Telegram channel. I will provide every video of link first here. Okay, so here is 25 voucher in CDR file, so you can open, and here is 50 letterhead. Okay, and these files are Corel Draw. Here is 182 icons file. Here is Christmas reach, and here is a new folder. I don't know what is this, but here is a icon folder. Okay, texture. Here is 1060. Here is business card, open, and here is 2800 plus CDR file. Here is 31. Here is 50. You see here 74 MB, and next is A2C logo, for example S. Here is logo of S, for example. Open this one, you see. Next here is on group, so you can change it. Okay, in Corel Draw. Festival drawing corps, barber shop, button certificate. Here is a certificate. Total file is 1000 plus. All files are fully editable. You can edit in Corel Draw. Here is Christmas clip art, and here is some background. 2000 plus background in Corel Draw. Oh, games. No. Oh, so you can edit everything. Flower. Oh, here is a frame and flower. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app for password. Take care. Allah Hafiz.